Hello everyone, welcome back to Chemistry JRFnet. Today we are continuing the solid state problems. The first question is the 002 plane of an elemental FCC crystal diffracts X-rays lambda equal to 0.154 nanometer at a Bragg's angle 90 degree. The density of the crystal is 4 into 10 raised to 4 kilogram per meter cube. The atomic weight of the elemental solid is. First of all, what are the values given? Lambda equal to 0.154 nanometer, theta equal to 90 degree, rho is equal to 4 into 10 raised to 4 kilogram per meter cube, and we have to find the mass. So from this equation we can find the mass, but the edge length A is not given here. So using Bragg's law we can find the A by substituting for D as A by root h square plus k square plus l square. Here the given plane is 0, 0, 2. 0, 0, 2. So substituting here, n lambda, refractive index is not given, so we take it as 1. Lambda equal to 0.154 nanometer equal to 2 into A by root 0 square plus 0 square plus 2 square into sin 90. That is equal to 2 into A by 2 into sin 91 equal to edge length A is equal to 0.154 into 10 raised to minus 9. And substituting these values in this equation, rho is equal to Zm by Na into A cube. Here Z is 4. Since it is a FCC crystal, Z is equal to 4. Substituting, rho is given 4 into 10 raised to 4 equal to 4 into m by Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 into 0.154 into 10 raised to minus 9 whole cube, which we have find from here. And simplifying, we get 21.6 gram per mole, which is approximately equal to 22. So our answer is option A. Next question is the separation of the 1, 2, 3 planes of an orthorhombic unit cell is 3.12 nanometer. The separation of 2, 4, 6 and 3, 6, 9 planes are respectively. Here the separation of planes in an orthorhombic cell is given. So first of all we think about this equation. We know that interplanar distance can be found in case of orthorhombic system by using 1 by d square hkl equal to h square by a square plus k square by b square plus l square by c square. So before going to that equation, let me check another method, that is this is the given plane is 1, 2, 3 and they are asked to find the separation of 2, 4, 6, which is exactly multiple. That is, if you multiply this plane by 2, 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 2, 6. Similarly, 1 into 3, 3, 2 into 3, 6, 3 into 3, 9. So we can use this equation directly. dNH, NK, NL can be found out by dHKL by N. So here D123 is given. So D246 equal to D123 divided by 2. Here N is 2. So substituting 3.12 divided by 2, which is equal to 1.56. Similarly, D369 equal to D123 divided by 3 equal to 3.12 divided by 3 equal to 1.04 nanometer. So our answer is first option. Next question, for a face-centered cubic lattice, the Miller indices for the first Bragg's peak. So in case of face-centered, we know that it will give image only if all the HKL values are either all odd or all even. So here all are even, but it is not the smallest plane. Here even and odd. So it will not give the image. Here odd and even, so it will not give the image. So our option is B, which is 1, 1, 1, all are odd. Moving on to next question. A metal crystallizes in face-centered cubic lattice with a lattice parameter of 4.2 angstrom. The shortest atom-to-atom contact distance in lattice is. So in case of FCC, the shortest distance can be found out by A by root 2. And A is given 4.2. On substitution, 4.2 angstrom divided by root 2 equal to 2.96. So our option is B. Similarly, if they are asked for another systems, the nearest neighbor distance or shortest distance can be found out by using this formula. In case of simple cubic, we can find by A. In VCC, A root 3 by 2. In FCC, A by root 2. In HCP, A. In diamond, A root 3 by 4. And here is the coordination number. Moving on to next question. The crystal A diffracts from 111 200 planes but not from 110 plane, while the crystal B diffracts from 110 and 200 planes but not from the 111 plane. From the above we may conclude that. So we have to find which is A and which is B. So let me check which condition is for FCC and which is for BCC. Here all are odd and here all are even. So this condition is corresponding to FCC. And here all are not odd. So we have to go for next condition, that is H plus K plus L is even or not. We have to check. So here 1 plus 1 plus 0 is 2, even. Here also 2 plus 0 plus 0, 2. So this condition is for BCC. So our answer is A has FCC lattice and B has BCC. Next question. A metal crystallizes in FCC structure with a unit cell size of 500 picometer. If the density of the crystal is 1.3 gram per cubic centimeter, the molar mass of the metal is close to. So we have to find the mass. It can be found out directly by substituting. Rho is given and this is a FCC lattice, so Z is equal to 4 and M Avogadro number into, we have unit cell 500 into 10 raised to minus 10 picometer converted into centimeter, so 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter whole cube. On simplifying we get 24.46, which is approximately equal to 25. So our option is C. Next question. A plane of spacing D shows first order Bragg diffraction at angle theta. A plane of spacing 2D. And the options are given. That is, first they are telling the spacing D shows Bragg's angle theta. So if D changes to 2D, what change will be happen to the angle theta? So for finding this, first of all we are considering the Bragg's equation. N lambda is equal to 2D sin theta. And N is given, N is equal to 1. So substituting, lambda is equal to 2D sin theta. Sin theta is equal to lambda by 2D. Let it be equation 1. And from here theta equal to sin inverse lambda by 2D. And we are substituting instead of D, 2D. That is when D is changes to 2D, we substitute instead of D, 2D. So from 1 we know that lambda by 2D is equal to sin theta. This equation can be written as sin inverse lambda by 2D by 2. So lambda by 2D is sin theta. That is theta equal to sin inverse sin theta by 2. So the answer is C. Next question. An element exists in two crystallographic modification with a FCC and BCC structure. The ratio of the densities of FCC and BCC modification in terms of the volume of their unit cell. So we have to find the ratio of densities in terms of volume of their unit cell. So first of all, volume density of FCC raised to density of BCC. So we have equation ZM by Na into volume of FCC raised to Zm by Na into volume of BCC. So in case of FCC, Z is equal to 4. So 4m by Na into volume of FCC raised to, here Z is 2 in case of BCC, 2m by Na into volume of BCC. So cancelling, we get 2 by volume of FCC raised to 1 by volume of BCC. Rearranging, volume of FCC equal to 2 into volume of BCC. So the answer is option B. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you.